Hey everyone, welcome back. So let's analyze the trades today and each setup step by step, why we took the entry, and I will explain you everything. To join our channel, you can just click on the link in description. So let's begin. So our first trade was for JPY 5 minutes up. You can set your timer to the flag timer, 5 minutes. This was a very good win and our entry was also very good. So this trade was given at 310 for the call side. I marked it. The price came into a very strong support level and formed a clear bullish candle. This showed that buyers were stepping in, and this was a perfect time to buy this trade for the call side because it gave us a bullish confirmation, and we bought this trade and for the call side and we won it. You can check out, this was a very good win, amazing win. The next signal was for your JPY 5 minutes up again. So this trade was given for the call side for at 315 and this was a loss. In this setup, the candle closed bullish, which normally signals continuation to the upside. Based on the structure, we took this trade, but it resulted as a loss. Our logic was correct, but the market didn't follow it. And we skip this trade now. The next signal was for your JPY 5 minutes up. This was a very good win. Our entry was also good. 330 for the call side. And in this, you can just notice 3 consecutive candles were unable to engulf the previous green candle. This one, meaning that sellers are not enough. At the same time, price was sitting at support level and the red candle left the wick on the upper side, showing that rejections and bar pressure from the below. So this was a very good time to buy this trade for the call side. Support was there, weak sellers, weak rejection was there, and we just got this trade for the call side and we won it with an amazing entry. Like, see this example, what and will. Like, if your entries are good, you can just be confident enough to win. This was all. 2 no martingale wins. Amazing trades for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.